Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on AirDrop on your MacBook Air. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and useful Mac tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on, since AirDrop relies on both. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, then open System Settings. From the sidebar, click on Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. Next, click on Wi-Fi, and also make sure it's enabled. Once that's done, you can close System Settings. Now, open Finder from the dock. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click on AirDrop. At the bottom of the window, you'll see a setting called Allow me to be discovered by. Click on the drop-down menu and select Everyone. This makes your Mac visible to nearby devices so you can send and receive files. And that's it. Your AirDrop is now turned on and ready to use. You can now start sharing files quickly and wirelessly with other Apple devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.